Number. You have learned numbers in the previous classes. You know there are two kinds of numbers. The noun or pronoun that stands for one person, place or a thing is said to be in the singular number. The noun or pronoun that stands for more than one person, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. You have also learned the different ways of forming plurals of nouns. Let us have a quick revision. Rule 1. By adding s to the singular number, most nouns form their plurals in this way. Bee, bees, street, streets, uncle, uncles, shop, shops, tree, trees, ear, ears. Rule 2. Nouns ending in s, s, x, sh or ch form their plurals by adding es or s, es to the singular. Gas, gases, fox, foxes, watch, watches, loss, losses, bush, bushes, batch, batches, box, boxes, brush, brushes. Rule 3. Remember, a noun ending in y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing y into ies. Copy, copies. Reply, replies. City, cities. Baby, babies. Fairy, fairies. Country, countries. Rule 4. But if the noun ends in y and the y has a vowel before it, its plural is formed by adding s to the singular. Bay, bays, donkey, donkeys, valley, valleys, joy, joys, toy, toys, key, keys. I'm sure you have understood the difference between Rule 3 and Rule 4 now. Rule 5. All the words in the singular end in f or fe. How do we change them to plurals? Look carefully and read aloud. Calf, calves. Wife, wives. Shelf, shelves. Knife, knives. What did we do? We changed f and fe to ves. But some nouns ending in f add only s to make their plurals. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. Safe, safes. Dwarf, dwarves. Rule 6. When the nouns end in the letter O, we form their plurals by adding es. But learn this carefully. The O must have a consonant before it. Study these examples. Hero, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Echo, echoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Volcano, volcanoes. Potato, potatoes. Now we will quickly revise some special nouns and their plurals. Rules 7, 8, 9 and 10 are very different from rules 1 to 6. Rule 7. In the nouns you will read now, their plurals are made by changing the vowels inside them. Foot, feet. Man, men. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Rule 8. Observe carefully how the nouns are changed. Read them aloud and learn. Singular, plural. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Maid-servant, maid-servants. Manservant, men-servant. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Stepson, stepsons. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Rule 9. Study how these nouns change. Brother, brothers or brethren. Child, children. Ox, oxen. They end in en. Rule 10. Some nouns have the same form for both singular and plural. Examples: deer, deer. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. You have to be very careful when you change a whole sentence from singular to plural. You have to change the verbs and pronouns also along with the nouns. Look at these pictures and read aloud what they say. There is an ox in the field. Singular. There are some oxen in the field. Plural. There was a child in the park. Singular. There were many children in the park. Plural. I saw a deer in the woods. Singular. I saw 2 deer in the woods. Plural. There was a sheep in the field. Singular. There were many sheep in the field. Plural. We caught a fish. Singular. We caught a lot of fish. Plural. Now look at the pictures and notice the difference in the sentences in A and B. Singular, plural. A cow is a useful animal. Cows are useful animals. An apple grows on a tree. Apples grow on trees. There is a book on the shelf. There are books on the shelves. In B, all